What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning, my fam. Good morning. Good morning. Hold up while I get everything set up. How's everybody's weekend? You guys have a good one? Yeah, running up with a like. Good morning, Larry, channel member. I greatly appreciate you. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Ethan. Good morning, Nick. Let's see. Good morning. What's up, Jason? Chuck, another channel member. Greatly appreciate you, homie. Quinn, good morning. Kip, good morning. Let's run it up. I'm ready to make a bag this week. Good evening from Australia. That's what's up. You trade the US market? What time is it in Australia right now? I have cousins that live in Australia, but I don't talk to them. So I don't know what time it is. But yeah, that's what's up. Yo, good morning. What's up with it? Morning. I'm ready to run it up today. Yeah, you got your red name. Congrats. So GDX is in the money. That gold squeeze finally fired, or it is firing. If you guys are not following me on Twitter, I mean, I've been talking about this gold squeeze for a few days now. I noticed it. Yeah, right here. So I talked about this on Saturday, that the gold stocks were my #1 watch. And let's see, talked about it on the 8th, which I think was Friday. Talked about it on the 7th, how it was in that major squeeze. And yeah, sure enough, we got our gold going now. GDX is running with it. Probably should have put on some more gold trades, but you know, it is what it is. If you guys could, real quick, we got 106 people up in here. So make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 41 likes. Let me let my cat out of here because he's going to try to open the door, and then I will be back in a minute. Cool. And then, real quick, we're 15 subscribers away from 19K. So if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you are clicking that button. It would mean the absolute world to me. Anyways, running out of breath already. I'm hyped up this morning. Hyped up on a Monday, baby. Anyways, let's find some stocks. So, pull this up right here. 1 hour, 4 hour daily. And we will start with the priority week. If you guys did not see the watch list for the weekly watch list, make sure to go watch that. It's going to be uploaded yesterday at 7 o'clock. Give you guys 15 setups for the week. AMD is breaking the level. Cool. So I want AMD on watch. Hopefully we can get like a little pre-market support level. But keep a very close eye on that one. Literally, like, I didn't even know this until last night. It seems like everybody on Twitter is watching AMD. So everybody is waiting for that. CMC looking for a swing there. Costco. Dang, Costco gap down. Had to do me like that. Just set an alert for now. Boom. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Once we hit 150 likes, that's when I drop the watch list. Guess we'll have to come back to Costco later this week. I think, yeah, oil got hit pretty hard. Thank God we sold all those XLE calls. Facebook, right down at the support level, right below 218.5. I'll be looking for puts. Was there news? Like, is there a reason that the market's pulling back? GDX, you sexy beast. Hopefully we can get past that 127. GDXJ is gonna go with it. Let's see, GLD, banger. Honestly, I'd be pretty content on day trading some GLD, especially because we're at the monthly expirations. We definitely could. It just depends what it ends up doing in the pre-market, but we'll put this on watch. GLD. But yeah, I don't keep up with the news, so if there was news, let me know. Nvidia gapping down. How much are the futures gapping down? Let's see. Yes. Only 1%. Could go lower. We'll see. If it breaks below this low right here, definitely gonna head lower. Nvidia, not too interested in. Nvidia is just gonna follow AMD. PAAS probably missed our swing there. Yeah, the CPI this week, I expect it to come in hot because it hasn't taken into account the high oil prices yet. That's going to be this month and probably next month as well. WPM, I can guarantee, yep, missed that swing. That thing broke out. That's unfortunate. Exxon pulled back. Okay, so we got 3 stocks on watch so far. Whoop-de-doo. Day trade stocks. Start from the top. Apple. Not interested. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 128 people up in here and 80 likes. Got to get 150 likes if you guys do want the watch list. And if you guys have not, make sure to click that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. We are super close to 19K subscribers. Literally a week ago, I was walking around the Cosmo at 1 a.m. trying to get people to subscribe to the channel and get me to 1K. Or not 1K, 18K, my bad. And now we're up 1K from then, which is insane. You guys are the best. I love you all. Maybe Boeing puts. Boeing's getting a little overextended. That's the issue. But we'll look at it. Let's get the bag. Hyped up on a Monday. Let's see, coin 156. Liquidity in the 150 puts. There's just like no pre-market support. Yeah, I checked Exxon. Both of Chevron and Exxon gap down, so not really interested in it. We already got Facebook on the list. Moderna. My man Chris, what's up, bruh? Moderna puts. Wouldn't mind those. The 155 or the 150s. Moderna. Microsoft. I don't like how it broke that level, but we'll watch it. We'll see what happens. Microsoft. MU destroyed the level. We already looked at Nvidia, PayPal. Nvidia got a downgrade. PayPal broke the level. See, this is the issue. I hate when we start breaking below the pre-market lows. Like, I like to look for a solid pre-market low or a solid pre-market high, and I absolutely hate it when we violate those levels in the pre-market. What did my tweet say last week? What did my tweet say on Saturday? Anybody remember? I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Or maybe it was Friday. What day did I say this? Oh, I think I'm at the media. Yes, I am. Yeah, I don't know where Jimmy's been. There it is. Yeah, what did I say on Twitter on the 8th? Was that Friday? Yeah, Friday, right after the close. Who can tell me? Did it break below Friday's low? Yes, it did. Yep, I said bearish on SPY and QQQ this week. Ah, there we go, SQ. Okay, SQ's got a nice pre-market support. Yeah, we could trade corn all day. I'll tell you, the commodities look ready to go. Wheat, corn, soybeans, soybean oil. They look ready. Fertilizer. What would be a good price to buy Nvidia? I got no idea. Corn is your mother. Nice. All right, we got AMD, Facebook, GLD, Boeing, Moderna, Microsoft, SQ. I also wanted to look at Disney because I did see leak of Disney's conference that they had, and I want to see if there's a reaction off of it. So I'll make alerts below that low. Actually, below 130, 128.62. Nah, there's no liquidity. There's Jimmy. He's just been in silence. Let's look at Lockheed. If we were to trade LMT, I still want that spread to narrow. It's too wide. It's a $50 spread on a contract that's only 400. So I'm not a fan as far as the spreads go. Could it continue? Yeah, just look for the break above pre-market highs, but I don't know. I don't want to get trapped with the spread. Overall price target would be 498.66. We can look at Amazon. That's coming down. 3,000 is going to be that psych level. Yeah, we got a pretty small list today. AMD, Facebook, GLD, Boeing, Moderna, Microsoft, SQ. QQQ making a new low. Bitcoin coming down. Let's see. All right, see what we can find. Right now, for AMD, my level is going to be 98.91 to break, which happens to be the daily pivot. Yeah, I was watching silver. Silver looks really, really good. All right, so AMD, one of my favorite setups. Going into this week, looking for the break below 98.9 for puts, PT equal 97.2 or 97.72, 97.72, 96.33. $95.41. Bingo. Gotta put my squeezing stuff back on. I've been doing stuff with so what I'm thinking is with my book, I'm releasing the ebook first. Hopefully having pre-orders out not this Friday but the following Friday. Fingers crossed. I can't wait for y'all to read it. Been literally grinding this book out. And it's going to be a banger. The ebook is probably going to be somewhere near 500 pages. It's going to be a lot. But trying to figure out pricing. I don't want to charge too much for the book, but I also put like a lot of work into it. Like I've been working on this thing for almost a year now. And it's huge. I guarantee you it's going to be one of the best. Maybe I'm being a little biased, but lots of work has been put into this book. Let's put the squeeze on. Bingo. So AMD, I like it below that low. Facebook. Of course, we had to try to crack the level. Facebook below pre-market low, 217.37. No, but Amazon takes most, like, I get 35% of the profits if I post it with Amazon, which, you know, like at the end of the day, it's not about the money, but still I did all the work. So why am I only going to get 35%? You know what I mean? So that's why I'm doing the ebook first. Plus the ebook, it's going to have color and everything. The regular book has to be black and white. So I had to do a lot of edits, especially on the TTM squeeze, to make sure you guys could see what I'm actually like trying to show you. But yeah, no, Amazon gives you a 35% royalty, which is like stupid low. Especially, again, I did all the work. But, oh well. I am interested in this Facebook. Exactly. GLD. Yeah, that GLD just, it moved too much. So we're going to take that off. Maybe look for a trade later in the week. I want to have pre-orders out by the 22nd. Maybe drop it on the 1st of May. Drop it Friday after a market close, so you guys have the entire weekend to grind the book. I don't know yet. All I know is I am super, super excited. I'm pretty interested in this Moderna. Doesn't really have too much support as far as I can see. Did you just say you sharded, homie? Trust me, the book is going to be fire. Trust on everything. I wouldn't have been working on it for almost a year if it was going to suck. I do think, though, I personally like Moderna to the downside. Maybe watch those 155 puts. Yeah. Let's see what we can do with Moderna today. It's like a weird list. I like to look for my squeezes, but there's none. Looking for puts below 158. Price target will be 156.6, 150.71. Bingo. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 185 people up in here. We need 150 likes if you guys want me to drop the watch list. I'm only 15 subscribers away from 19K. So if you guys are in here, I can guarantee you not all 180 of you are subscribed to the channel. So if you have not, make sure to click that. I will give you a bing bong this morning. Hold on.
Bing bong.
Did it go through?
Bing bong.
There we go. But yeah, make sure to click that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. Let's try to hit 19K while we're on the live stream. That'd be dope. Yes, it is a short week. Markets close Friday, unfortunately. Moderna. So we're gonna keep that one on watch. Microsoft. Come back to that one. HIG doesn't move in the pre-market, so we'll see when the market opens. Of course, it's got that support right there. Could completely ignore it. I do like that SQ though, for some possible puts. Bing bong. Where's the liquidity this week? There's no liquidity until the 115 puts. Where are we at? 119. I mean, 115 is doable if it breaks that pivot. Oh, and then there is support at 117.57. We'll see. We'll come back to this one. Yeah, I don't know why my YouTube like exploded. Just exploded out of nowhere. Didn't we look at the NASDAQ futures and it was only down 1%? Oh, it's at negative 1.77%. Typically it's when it opens negative 2%. We could see that bounce. Also watch the put to call ratio. If there's a huge put to call ratio like above 1 and we gap 2%, then we'll typically rally. But yeah, watch the futures. If we gap negative 2%, we could see a reversal today. Doesn't happen every time. But yeah, networking in Vegas, that's what the IRS needs to know. Maybe I can get some of my money given back to me. All right, so Facebook, I really like the Facebook setup. That might find its way onto the list. Boeing already broke, yeah, Boeing broke the level. We're gonna take that one off. Microsoft. Unfortunately, that broke the level. Really would have liked it to stay above that 296.1. So as of now, the only other things I like are Facebook and SQ. I think what I'm gonna do is wait a little closer to market open before I decide which one I'm going to watch, or if I'm going to watch both of them. Tesla had already broke that pre-market low, unfortunately. Like, if Tesla would have stayed at that pre-market low of this right here, 982.62, I would have been interested, but it completely destroyed it. So, for me personally, I'm looking to get into equity for Tesla, or maybe even like a leap, even though the leaps are going to be dumb expensive. But I want to see Tesla come down to 934. I'll look to start a position there. And then 900. So that $37 range is where I'm going to look. Yeah, I went and met with Jadon and we advertised Team Bull on Fremont Street and in the Cosmo at 1 a.m. That's exactly how we did it. Let me see what my subscriber count is. What are we at right now? We need 8 more, baby. 8 more subscribers. Can we get it? Can we get it in the next 10 minutes? I would greatly appreciate you guys. I can guarantee all 185 of you are not subscribed to the channel. So if you guys need some convincing, every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, I hop on here. I give you guys a completely free watch list, Monday through Friday, unless the market's closed like it's going to be this Friday. But on top of that, I upload tons of free educational content. I give you guys a weekly watch list. I give you guys my SPY and QQQ analysis. And yeah, let's run it up. 8 more subscribers, baby. Let's do this. But yeah, could Tesla drop more, but as far as my day trading, like my rules of what I like to look for, it's not fitting it. And that's how you'll become successful at trading. You stick to a set of rules. Like, I literally day trade and swing trade the same exact setup every single time. Just over time, you'll find a setup that works for you, and you literally just grind out that setup every single day. Let's see, we got GDX, HIG over here. As of now, on the list, we have Moderna. And we have AMD. Cool. Hey, I mean, we could do the Team Bull special and rip some SPY and QQQ off the open, where we're only 99.3% joking. That's how we do it, baby. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate
Bing
you.
bong.
There's some bing bongs and there's some air horns for you. Thank you, thank you. But yeah, we're gonna have to wait. If you guys are in the Discord, I'll probably have 2 more out. Maybe snag something off of Grizzly. We'll see. But yeah, let's run it up this week. Let's make some money. I will drop you guys the 2 stocks that I'm watching for now. Usually I already have 3 or 4, but today everything gapped down, so it's kind of hard. But yeah, here is AMD. Here is Moderna. And then one more thing, just real quick. If you guys did not know, me, Grizzly, and GD are hosting a May mentorship group. So if you guys want to learn from, you know, all 3 of us, whether it's swing trading, day trading, whatever, we teach you from A to Z. Everything's taught live. It's recorded. We teach 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. So yeah, if you guys want to hop in that, here's a link for that. We have 3 more discounts, which is going to get you $100 off. But yeah, discount is going to be $100 off. Once those discounts run out, it will be full price from there. And yeah, let's run it up. Let's make some money. If you guys are not in Team Bull, make sure you guys join.